The Falklands Conflict of 1982, fought between Argentina and the United Kingdom, lasted just 10 weeks but had long-lasting political, military, and diplomatic consequences for both countries and the wider world. Although the fighting ended quickly, its aftermath reshaped governments, armed forces, and international relations. 1. Political impact in Britain. The war proved a major political turning point in the UK. Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher's popularity soared, helping secure her landslide re-election in 1983. The conflict reinforced Britain's image as a power willing and able to defend overseas territories. It strengthened national confidence after years of economic and political uncertainty. The victory restored faith in Britain's armed forces after post-imperial decline. 2. Political collapse in Argentina. For Argentina, the consequences were dramatic. The military junta collapsed in 1983 following defeat. General Leopoldo Galtieri was removed from power. The war accelerated Argentina's return to democratic rule. The conflict discredited military rule and ended decades of political repression. 3. Military lessons and reforms. The Falklands War exposed strengths and weaknesses on both sides. Britain learned vital lessons about air defense, logistics, and naval vulnerability. The Royal Navy reassessed the importance of aircraft carriers and amphibious forces. Argentina recognized shortcomings in training, coordination, and intelligence. Modern militaries worldwide studied the war as a case study in modern conventional conflict. 4. Strategic and diplomatic consequences. Britain strengthened its military presence in the Falklands, building RAF Mount Pleasant. The islands remain under British control with strong self-defense capabilities. Argentina continues to claim sovereignty, keeping tensions alive diplomatically. International law reaffirmed the principle of self-determination, backed by the islanders. 5. Human and social impact. 907 people died during the conflict. Veterans on both sides faced long-term physical and psychological trauma. In the Falklands, improved infrastructure and security followed the war. For many, the war's human cost became clearer only years later. The aftermath of the Falklands conflict reshaped British politics, Argentine society, and modern military thinking. Britain emerged militarily confident, Argentina turned decisively toward democracy, and the islands became one of the most heavily defended territories in the South Atlantic. Though brief, the war left a lasting legacy that still influences relations today.